This is Denon SC-M5K. I think they're also known as mission speakers. So let's, this boxes are a bit big, so this is the Denon UD-M5 3-disc CD multi-changer, amplifier and radio. And the third of my boxes is what we're really here for. It is the Denon DMD-M10 Minidisc recorder. So let's get to opening these and see what sort of condition they're in. This is very difficult to do with limited space. First off, we're going to unpack the Denon UD-M5 CD auto changer receiver. And this literally is the unpacking. I've just got back and unpacked it from the car. Now we're going to unpack it from here. Power cord is attached, yeah. So let's have a look. We have the FM antenna. We have the slightly grotty remote control. Actually feels quite flimsy and plastic. Well, it is plastic, but okay, we'll be giving that a good clean up in a minute. Some speaker cables. More speaker cables. Now, I'm probably going to have to slide this out of shot to get this out of the box. The box weight is 7 kilograms, I think. So there it is. It is a bit of a clean. The CDs, it won't read discs, so we'll try that out later on. And I've looked this up and it's a problem with the laser is failing, and I'm not sure I can be bothered to take it apart. I might even be able to get a replacement laser mechanism. You can turn up the laser voltage, which will help it read discs again, but the problem with doing that is you'll burn the laser out anyway. But the main problem is this volume control, which again is a common fault with these. The thing that monitors the resistance as you turn it, or monitors how much you're turning it, becomes a bit freaky. But I can still use the remote control to turn the volume up. There's a peek at the back of the unit. So we've got Minidisc component, tape, which I won't have on this one, and auxiliary, but there's also optical out. Okay, let's move on to the speakers. My office floor is now full up with boxes. There we go, there's one of them. This is quite heavy as well. Nice bookshelf speakers. I'm not sure they're actually going to fit where I want to put them. I think they are. Warranty card. That's not warranty. Oh, it's a warranty card and instructions. But what I want to do is see that bit there. So give me a second, I'll try and figure out how to get these off. There we go. I think these look, if these are ones I saw on YouTube on a different video, these look mental when they're on and turned up. So let's get going with the Minidisc unboxing. I just realised I've boxed myself in my office and I've got nowhere to put these boxes. The house is so full up. So we've got, look at the size of that manual. Hopefully, it's all different languages. Thank heavens for that. Okay. Remote control. That has been used, but not a lot, I don't think. Some cables. Stereo 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable. We'll definitely be editing out all that racket, otherwise you'll be deaf. My microphone's so sensitive. And there it is. That's sticky. That's sticky on there. So it's not silver. It's a sort of dark silver. Yeah, that has definitely been opened. There's watermarks on that. So the guys seem really nice, but there's a little scratch on the face of it there. Could have been where it's just been put back. Have to get some Mr. Sheen on that, I think. So on the back we got digital out and 2 digital opticals in. So I've got to try and figure out how it all connects together now. That I think I've seen on Tecmo, and that allows you to connect 2 lots of stuff up and then only use one power socket. But there's not a corresponding one on the amplifier. Right, I'm going to stop the video now and try and figure out how to put all this back together. Found this in the these are the instructions for the Minidisc unit, so it's helpful instructions to connect everything up. I've not really done anything like this before, so I'm not going to do it on camera. It's too complicated and I don't want to break anything. Okay, that was surprisingly fiddly to get these speakers connected to the cables. I think I've done it now. Let's just clip that down again. So if you want a closer look, sorry about the shaky cam. So they are mission for Denon. Apparently that's good. Let me know if you know. So I'm going to turn it around and put some batteries in the remote just in case it's very loud and turn it on for the first time. It all appears to be working. Obviously it's going to be easier to use it from the remote controls, but it appears to be working. I'm going to stop that. And this volume control is a bit temperamental. You sometimes turn it up and it shoots up and then it's hard to turn down again. But there is a fix for that, which I might fix. So thanks for watching. If you want any more footage of this, or you've got any suggestions or information, then please let me know in the comments. Thanks very much.